The iPhone 15 is expected to launch in 2 months, with 4 models, iPhone 15, 15 Plus, and iPhone 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max. The iPhone 15 and 15 Plus are expected to get the same dynamic island as the iPhone 14 Pro got last year. They're expected to receive a slightly more rounded chassis with slightly curved glass, making them more comfortable. They're expected to receive the same A16 Bionic chip that the iPhone 14 Pro has right now, and they're expected to receive the same 48 megapixel main camera as the iPhone 14 Pro, and expected to see some major upgrades to battery life as well. And finally, after 11 years, we're saying goodbye to Lightning and hello to USB-C, though on these models it will run at the same USB 2 speeds. We could expect some new colors, like a new shade of blue, an all-new pink, and some recent rumors pointed to a new minty green as well. Pricing should remain the same at $799 and $899 for 15 and 15 Plus respectively. Now the iPhone 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max. These phones' chassis will be more rounded as well, along with a new titanium frame instead of stainless steel like we have right now, resulting in a stronger iPhone that's more lighter as well. The front glass is also getting more curved, with the thinnest bezels ever on a smartphone now. The mute switch is also getting replaced by an action button similar to the Apple Watch Ultra. It can be remapped to any function you want. These phones will have Apple's new A17 Bionic chip, which will be Apple's first 3nm chip, and it will feature 8GB of RAM now instead of 6. The iPhone 15 Pro Max will now have a periscope telephoto camera now, allowing for up to 6x optical zoom, up from 3x right now. The iPhone 15 Pro will remain at 3x. These phones will also receive massive upgrades in battery life, and will also get USB-C, but now faster, potentially up to 40 gigabits per second speeds. We've heard that a new blue color will be coming to the Pro models, but we've also heard mixed rumors about a new crimson red color as well. We should expect price increases, mainly due to the titanium frame and the periscope camera on the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Potentially $1099 for the iPhone 15 Pro and $1199 on the iPhone 15 Pro Max. I'm personally predicting September 12th for an event for all of these phones, with pre-orders on September 15th and release on September 22nd. iOS 17 should be out on September 18th or September 19th.